Welcome to this tutorial on port security in Cisco switches, your essential guide to protecting your network from unauthorized access using MAC address filtering and control. Yes, in this I have made a topology. Two devices only given an IP address. This one, enable, configure, terminal, and interface range F0 slash 1 dash 2. If I put switch port security, then it will discard it because this is dynamic port. You have to make it access mode. Switch port mode access. Other one is trunk port, as we have seen in VLANs. That is for trunk port is for taking multiple VLANs. This is access port, only one VLAN is there. Oh. Then switch port security. It will pass now. Switch port, then question mark. Paging by default it is disabled. If there is inactivity, no activity is there, then it will remove the MAC address from the table. MAC address, it can learn by connecting it with a stick, or manually we can give it. Maximum number of MAC address can be given to the one interface. Violation by default, maximum by default is 1. A violation, if you don't give it, then it will considered as a 1 MAC address on one port. Violation is by default, it is a shutdown, and violation, I will show you. Protect, it will discard the packet. In district, it will discard the packet and registered it. And in shutdown, it will discard the packet and shut down the port. Make it restrict. MAC address sticky. I will show you how. There are two options, either manually or by sticky. Taking the MAC address from the device which is connected. Sticky. Okay. Maximum let's say make it 2. The maximum make it 1. I'll show it another. Okay. show history, do show history. Terminal, do terminal history, size 30, interface F0/3, switch port mode access, port security, MAC address, I'll copy it from here. Control C, paste. Register. Violation, protect. Maximum 2. Let's say maximum MAC address can be learned on this device. MAC address, MAC address. Maximum. Do show history, interface F0/4, configure terminal, interface F0/4, switch port mode access, switch port security, Cisco Port Security, mac sticky maximum one violation shutdown. Do copy running configuration to startup configuration, enter. Now what I will do is I will see exit show switch port security show port security. See, restrict protect shutdown. Maximum MAC address can be run 2 in this one. Current address is this one, only in this one where I have given it manually. I have to ping it, then it will register it. Show interface F0/4. I have to ping. Now it's okay. Now check it. See, MAC address is there. Enabled, start secure up. Violation mode is shut down. Aging is disabled. MAC address, total MAC address, maximum MAC address 1, total MAC address sticky. Now what I will do is I will change this port to this one. Now I will ping it from here. Secure secure shutdown, shutdown, violation, violation is violation, maximum MAC address, total MAC address, secure MAC address, sticky MAC address, violation is done. Violation count is 1. So what I will do is I will reconnect red edge there. I will reconnect it from to here. Interface, interface, configure, configure terminal, interface F0/4, shutdown, no shut. No, it's okay. Now I will ping 192.168.1.2. Yes. Do show port security interface address secure up. So thanks for watching. Port security is a layer 2 traffic control features. It enables the administrator to restrict the input to an interface and by limiting and identifying the MAC addresses. Its importance is that it prevents unauthorized access devices from accessing the network, helps mitigate MAC flooding attacks, ensures better access control and security on LAN and switches. How it works: configure on switch access port, allows limiting the number of valid MAC addresses per port. Violation triggers a specific action: shutdown, restrict, protect. Port security modes: static, manual configures the MAC address. Dynamic, learned dynamically and lost after reboot. Sticky, dynamically learned and saved in the running configuration. Violation mode: protect, drops packet with unknown MAC address. Restrict, drop packets and log these violation. Shutdown, disable the port default behavior. Configuration steps: as we have seen in exercise. Now maximum 2 means what marks? It allows up to 2 unique MAC address to be learned on configured on that specific switch port. So that what does it this actually allows? It does not mean that you can connect a switch and a 2 PC directly. Instead, it means that you can connect up to 2 devices each with a unique MAC address directly to that port. If a third device with a different MAC address tries to send traffic on that port, it will trigger a violation. It is not allowed that you connect another switch, allow many devices behind it to send traffic. The original port will then see a multiple MAC address which quickly exceed the limit of 2. This will trigger a security violation, shutdown, restrict, protect based on your configuration. Uh, one correct usage scenario. One PC, one voice over IP phone. Some phones allows PC pass through. Uh, uh, Two known devices on the same port. Security against MAC address flooding or unauthorized connection. Both devices connect to the same physical port. Switch sees two unique MAC addresses. Maximum 2 ensures both devices are allowed. Allow both phones and PC to access the network securely. Blocks the third device if someone tries to add another device with them. Verifying port security. You can see in exercise also that I have used port security interface, uh, whatever you have configured. Port security, show port security, show running common issues and best practices. Always use safe configuration, monitor logs and violation alerts, avoid using dynamic MAC in sensitive environment, enable port security only on the access port, not on trunk port. As we have seen that port security enhances layer 2 security, helps limits access to only trusted devices, use right combination of security and flexibility. Now just focus on aging time in port security. A- uh, Aging time by default it is off. Aging time defines how long the dynamically learned secure MAC address stays in the switch MAC table. After this time, MAC address is removed automatically. Uh, Types of aging. Inactive MAC address removed if no traffic is seen within the aging time. Absolute aging, MAC address is removed after fixed time regardless of traffic. Why use aging time? Automatically clears unused secure MAC addresses. Useful in environment with frequent devices changes. Helps manage MAC address table size efficiently. By default, it is 0 uh, minutes, meaning aging is disabled. Aging time 5 means in inactive mode that after 5 minutes of no traffic, the MAC address is removed. Aging time, two modes, inactive and time based. Inactive mode, MAC address removed if no traffic is seen within the aging time. In time based mode, MAC address is removed after fixed time, regardless of traffic. That's all for this video on port security in Cisco switches. We covered the basic configuration steps and even went into the aging time feature in detail. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorial on networking, automation, and energy systems. Have questions or want to see a live lab demo? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.